So one of the things I need to do as part of the registration process, but obviously for safety and all that kind of thing, is to replace this. You can see the A-frame is completely rusted and it certainly needs to be replaced. So everything's going to get changed. All this, even the gas bottle holder, the lot. So I'm expecting Justin over, Land Rover God, to help me with this. And what we're going to do is just chop it off at the relevant points, drop the entire A-frame as is, and then he's going to replicate the lot. And once he's done that, we'll come back, pick a day that ain't windy. See, we've been getting this kind of crazy weather for weeks now. Hello, Disco. Anyway, so the whole lot will be replaced, including the chain and that kind of stuff. So Justin doing the job for me. One side is done, the other one to go. The next job now is to clean up the areas. So the original drawbar has now been removed. Obviously there's no Caravan there, there's no Millard there. And just to recap on one of the reasons why I wanted to redo the entire thing, is you can see all the corrosion there, all the rust that has completely eaten through. Even the jockey wheel is busted. The actual nut, the actual bolt he snapped off. Aside from that, I mean, it does show its age after 45 years or so. And what I intend to do is cut out the original plate, because I want to salvage that and the rest can just be turfed. The new drawbar, basically the same specs as the original. Pretty beefy. Running dual chains. Okay, so I've mocked it up on the stands, just to see how it's best going to be to weld in position. And obviously we'll need these brackets. The rear bracket over there needs to be cut off and another one welded right through to the end. And then we'll need I'd like to put a side brace there, because the gas bottle will go somewhere in that area. However, I also need to get a spare wheel carrier, one of those bolt-on ones. So I've just got to take all that into consideration. Right, 2.5 hours later, and it's all done. So Stuart's done a fantastic job. Beautiful, beautiful welds, clean, and we effectively copied the original design, but of course beefed it up a little bit more as well. So now what I intend to do is paint, even though it's galv, I'm just going to paint it all up. First coat of paint, looking good. All done underneath. So happy with that. Right, so jockey wheels on, and new brake line. And the reason why I got this type of jockey wheel and not welded on is because I've got then the option to move it around if I want. And I will be doing the same for the spare wheel carrier. I've got the bracket. I'm waiting for another wheel, spare wheel, and once I've got the spare wheel I can kind of position it in place and put that on the other side. Also install the brand new wiring loom, which fits all the way to the back, and the number.